When many climate enthusiasts said that the climate change has a domino effect, to no one's surprise, they were mocked as a propagandist. And now its effect is clearly visible in Europe. After scorching under the severe heat wave, the continent is in the grip of the ferocious wildfire. Spain, Greece, France is battling the massive wildfire caused because of the hotter temperature and prolonged drought season. The question is, despite the year of the global climate pledges, why the greenhouse gas emissions remain high? It's high time that the world community should act because the climate change not remains to be an environmental issue, it become a full-fledged economic, humanitarian and national security challenge.